All right, so basically what for this class, okay, I'm going to share with you the data, right? So if you click in your Telegram, okay, you can go to the, what I call it, the Telegram web. Okay, Telegram web, you just type Telegram web, okay, and then you click on the Telegram web, all right? Then if you are already, you have to put your phone number of your, Telegram, with your Telegram account, and then see, there is no, we cannot, so connecting, we try. Okay, just hold on. I'm also having, I call it, problem in connecting to Telegram. Still connecting, right? All right, so just wait for a while. Okay, or if you can actually download it, the Telegram in the desktop. Okay, and then install it. Alternatively, I need to, how do I send it to you? WhatsApp? Can I send through WhatsApp? You're okay? Okay, all right. Can you download the file? You downloaded the file. Okay, so when you open the Telegram, say, and this is the Telegram, so you will see that I have like data, okay, that I have collected, okay, regarding about financial literacy. Now this is raw data, which is a survey which is being collected using online, right? Many of you will be using online too. Okay, you will be using Google Doc, you will be using SurveyMonkey, okay, or maybe you will be using any other online survey, right? So what you do here, okay, this will be the responses from your respondent. You have to download it. Okay, now you have to download it. So I have, okay, this is the file. Okay, you can see that the data is actually very raw, right? It is raw data. Now, if you want to convert, this is in Excel. Okay, if you look at it, this is in Excel. Normally, it's in Excel, and SPSS can actually convert your Excel file, okay, from Excel to SPSS. Okay, all right, just import. Okay, firstly, you need to download. So here, I'll go direct download. Okay, so I click direct download. Okay, download is complete. All right, download is complete. Then you just open the file. So if you open the file, all right, you will have it in Excel file. Okay, you have it in Excel file. Okay, now you can see that this is very, very raw. Okay, for example, what is your gender is in string. This is in string, and we call it string. String. Okay, this is a numeric number. This is in string, right? This is also in string, and so on. So all of but this one is numeric. Okay, all right. Now the problem is with having string. Okay, your analysis capability will be very, very minimal. You will only be able to do frequencies, okay, or descriptive, only frequencies, how many women, how many men, only that. But you cannot go into further higher analysis. So that's why we need to do some change towards our data so that it become from string to become numeric. Okay, all right. Now, just follow me, okay, step by step, right? Step by step. This is how you're gonna do it. Okay, there are two options here. First, you can do it directly in Excel. Okay, you can do it directly in Excel, or you can do it in SPSS. Okay, okay. Now I'm going to give you one example of how you're going to do it in Excel, because in Excel it's quite easy. Okay, right? Okay, here you will just click enable, right? Okay, enable editing. Okay, now let's say if you want to change gender here, right? You want to change female, okay, depending on your code, okay, let's say female is number 2 and male is number 1. So what you do here, okay, you just Control F, okay, Control F, then you find female. Okay, then you change female to replace with number 2. Okay, right? All right. So very simple. You can do like this. Okay, then you replace with number 2, then you will replace all. So all female will be number 2. Another way of doing it, all right? Now you just format, okay, if you have this version, you can format the file into a table. Okay, let's see here, format as table, right? Can you see that? Format as table?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just click that and then choose in any of the table. All right, let's say I want to choose this. Okay, I want to choose this as my table. Okay, and then click here. Then I have to click this. My table has headers. All right, so because we have headers here. Okay, but before that, okay, I think is it enough until the end? PR. Okay, yeah. Then click OK. Right? Some header values have more than 255 characters and will be truncated. And do you want to continue? Yes. Right? Okay, you just click yes. So now I have all the my data is actually in table form. All right? You have it. Can you follow?
Yes.
Right? Yes. Boleh? Yes. Alright, yeah, like this. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait for a while. Okay. I'm going to wait for a while. All right. For you guys to download the file. The Excel file or what? The Excel file. Okay. Now another method. Okay, this is replacing. This is using Control Find and you replace. Right? So easy. So easy. You don't. I mean, if you do it online, right? You collect your data online, and then everything is. I mean, it's so easy. Right? So doing PhD is actually it's not that difficult. Okay? If you have the tools, right? You have the tools, you have everything. Okay, it's not that difficult. Okay, all right. Now, okay, the next one. Okay, instead of doing Control Find, you're okay, right? Okay, instead of doing Control Find and Control Replace, you can just do like this. Just click here at the far end of the gender here. What is your gender? You just click here. Okay, then you will have this, right? Okay, so you can just select male only, right? Okay, then you will have all the male here. Only male. Okay, and then what you can do is just type 1 and then you can replace all or just drag all the mail until the end. Okay, one way of doing it. You might have some reason to do which one. There is sometimes you have to do that. Okay, you have to do control find or you have to do yes, right? There are some reasons. Maybe the data is too complicated or something like that, right? So, or maybe the data you cannot do control find because there are a lot of other data which are the same variable. Yeah, and then the coding might be different. So that's why you have to do like this. Okay, all right. Now this one, halas. Right. Okay. Okay, now let's do for this one. You see that here it's actually being changed. It's being keyed. It's a ratio data. Okay, ratio data that is keyed. But if you want to change it to range, how are you going to do it? If you want to change it to range,
okay, you need to separate it to periods. From this period to this period.
yeah, let's say from 20 to 25,
Yeah.
then 26 to 30, right? You can do that also.
Yeah.
Okay, you can do it here, or you can do it in SPSS, right? Okay, right. Now let's say this is a program of study. The same thing, okay, you can actually change, okay, this one, either using Control F and then replace, or you can choose one by one from the table. Which one do you want to use? Let's do this. Let's do the program of study. Let's do program of study. Okay. If I am going to use this one, all right? Let's say I'm going to use SPAK first, right? Then I have all the SPAK, right?
Yeah.
So I can change this to 1. But you have to remember SPAK is for 1. Okay, or not you be. Right? You record it in your code book. Okay, in your code book. Must remember. Or not you will be, oh, what is actually I have actually changed? Why do I have changed to 1 or 2 or 3? Okay, now we'll change this to 1, right? Okay, then we'll have that as 1. All right, and then we'll look at another.
There's already got just one function. It is the analog. That's it.
Oops.
No,
Back. No. We have to go and find. Okay. So this is only 1 here.
This one just one program.
Yeah.
This one just one program.
Yes, this is only 1 program. So we have to actually, okay. So what we can do here is that we have to go back. Okay. Okay, we have to go back again, all right, and again. So everything is already okay, back to normal. Where is the female? Okay, I want also the female. Okay, this is the female. All right. Now, I believe that is going to be a problem if we change like that. Okay, it will be a problem. So what I'm going to do is that, okay, I'm going to export it to SPSS. Okay, I'm going to export to SPSS. So I'm going to save first. Okay, and then I'm going to open SPSS. Okay, I have this blank file. Okay, I have this blank file. So if you want to import Excel file to your SPSS, you just go to File and then you go to import data. Right? Go to import data and then you click Excel. Okay, you click Excel, right? Then you go and find your data that which you have saved just now. I've saved this data, I think it's in, I can't remember where I do save the data, but I have the old data. All right, I have the data is here, okay, shared file here. All right, this one. So once you import the data from Excel, right, you will have the data in your SPSS. All sheets in Excel file appear to be empty. Oh. File, import data, Excel. Okay, I'm just going to check again. Okay, the data is there. Oh, it's empty. It's empty.
I do that.
Huh?
I do that.
You do what?
Import.
You import.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, maybe there are so many import, but I have problem importing it. Oh, it come out as blank file. Anyone copy and paste? All right, let's say I try to do it again. All right, now I try to find the data which I have downloaded just now. Okay, where do I download the data? Is it here? Okay, just hold on. This is data set 2. Okay, I need to save this first. Show in folder first. Okay, excuse me for a while. I'm trying to find the data that I've just saved just now. Is it here? No. Is it here? Okay, it's here. All right. Okay, I'm going to import. Okay, file, import data from Excel. Okay, I'm going to import it from download. Okay, where is the file? Okay, this one. Click open. Okay, read Excel file. Okay, then you just click remove reading spaces from string where. Okay, just click OK. All right, now your data is in SPSS. See? All right. Okay. All right. So you can go for data view or variable view. Okay. You can go here.
Already changed the male and female.
Already changed.
Oh, yeah.
You already changed.
Directly changed.
Ah, okay.
Not the male and female.
I didn't change yet. Okay. Because just now I go back. So now it's actually 2 is for female. Okay, now male is not yet being changed. Right, so how do I want to change this data using SPSS? You go to transform. Okay, transform. Here. Transform. Okay, go to transform. Okay, you recode. Okay, it's either you want to recode into a new variable or you want to recode into the same variable. Okay, so you recode into the same or new is up to you. If you want to retain the old one so that you can check whether you have made mistake or whatever, you still have the old one. But if you are confident of doing it, okay, you can always do it in the same variable. So I'm going to use recode into same variable. Right, now I'm going to choose gender. Okay, the variable will be gender. Okay, old and new value. Okay, the old value is male because female have already changed, right? So the new value will be 1. Okay, so we have to click add. Okay, so this it will be the command that we are instructing the SPSS to transform male to become 1. Okay, all right, then you just click continue, then you just click OK. Okay, you will have this we call it execution format here. Okay, check back your data. Right, now you check back your data, then you have all your data will be 1 for male, 2 for female. Okay, can you follow?
Can you just redo the last?
Redo the last. Okay,
Just this one.
transform. Okay, recode into same variable. Right, then you click gender. All right, in the string variable. Right, then old and new values. Right, click the old value as male. Okay, write male, and then the new value will be 1. Okay, then click add. Then you click continue. All right. Then you click OK. All right. So can you get? Okay. Now, once you have done this, you might want to go back to your variable view. Import. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, sekejap. Okay, I will actually entertain you. Okay. Okay, just wait for a while. I'm just checking. Okay. Okay, we are still live here. We are still live. I'm just checking that we are still live. All right, now, okay. You can have import. No, export. File what should be tak ada. Oh, saya tahu. Saya dia. Okey, cuba lihat data. Tak buka kan? Kalau okay, kalau tak import, okay, if you don't have import, just go to open file. Okay, open file. Okay, file. Okay, data. Okay, then you find the data. Okay, okay. There is a problem there. Some of you cannot find the import button, right? Okay, what you can do here is that if you cannot find the import button, you go to file, you go to open data. Okay, you open data and then you go and find Excel here. Okay, so you will have the Excel file here. Then you find the file that I've sent you just now, this one. Okay, because you need to change this to Excel, right? Okay, if you have problem of finding the import data, So you just go directly open data. Okay, open data. All right. Okay, yeah, clear. Okay. Okay, now everybody got, everybody can follow, right? Nanti muskilah, right? Okay.
Yes.
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, yang belakang. Right.
Should be as what he said. He said 1 minute. No, I opened my already. Now we will do anything.
Okay, alright.
The keyboard.
Number is working. All continue. We want one participant.
No, just let's say we try some other quality. So what is this? Okay. Okay, why is that changed? Because you need to be exactly the same. You have female act as capital. You need to do it as capital. Okay. Right. Okay. Tak boleh pakai laptop ke pakai software dia sharing ke apa tu kan. Alright, okay. Alright, now, yeah, sometimes we have some technical problems. Yes, that is normal. Okay, don't worry, it's only a small problem. It's only a small problem. There is not any problem that we cannot solve. Okay, all right. Now, once you have done that, okay, you have to look back at your variable view. Here, click down here. Variable view. Okay. Now you look at here, what is your gender, for example. Okay, what is your gender? You can change this to numeric because it's already numeric. Okay, what is your gender? Okay, here. Okay, you click here. Then change to numeric from string. Okay? Okay, one more time, right? So, okay. Now this is your data, right? You have changed this, right? Before you change, it is actually string. Right, we need to change string to numeric. Because string is for words. Okay? So you go to here, so I've already changed this, right? So click here, then click numeric. Okay, now one more thing is that some of you got like decimal place which is more than 2 or 3, right? So you can click here, change to 0. Okay, the decimal place. Change there to 0. Okay. So if you have, let's say, your decimal place is 2, right? If I click OK, then your data will be 2.00. Okay, if you don't want to have that 0, okay, go back to your variable view, click here, and then change back this to 0. Okay. All right. Can you follow? All right. Okay. One more thing is that, okay, this is already been labeled. What is your gender? Okay. One more thing that you need to do is actually under values here. Okay. Under values, you click here. Okay. Click on the three what we call it, dots. 3 dots. Okay. Now, value 1, you should label as male. Click add. Value 2 should be female. Click add, then click OK. All right. So once you do that, whenever your result is being published, your output, you will have instead of 1, male. So it's easy for you. You're not exactly remember what is 1, what is 1, I forgot. So instead of forgetting, you just label it. So your output, you will have male, okay, example here. Okay, the example. Okay, if you go to analyze, okay, go to analyze. Now let's say we want to go for frequencies. okay, frequencies, all right, and then you select the gender just now, right? Then click OK. You will have this as your result. Okay, male and female instead of 1 and 2. This one. Yeah, this one. So you will have that. So your value here is being labeled as USD. So it's easier to interpret. Easier to interpret. This is for to make it our language. Remember, you have to remember that 1 is actually A, 2 is actually B. Okay. Now you can okay. Can you okay? All right.
How cheap this is going?
Let's say it's just a sample.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sample. For example, if you do analysis, this is frequency. This is frequency. So your result is male and female. Okay, not 1 and 2.
All right.
All right. Okay. Okay, what we're doing right now is the basic thing. Right, so that you like it, and then you will just, when you do and you like it, right, you do a lot of analysis, do a lot of research, you do a lot of paper presentation, do a lot of paper submission for journals and conferences and so on. Right, because data, when you have a rich data, you can actually present in many conferences or journals, because your data can be cut, and then you can present it, a portion of it here, a portion of it there, and so on. All right. Okay. All right. Any questions at the moment? Okay, tumpang share boleh. Silakan tumpang. No, I'm saying that because there are comments saying that tumpang share, doctor. See? Oh, not here. It's in the Facebook. It's in the Facebook. In the Facebook. Okay. Tumpang share, which means that can I share? Can I share the video? All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Now we have done for only one variable. We have a lot of variable here, which is an exercise, but after Salah, right? After Maghrib. So we will end the session now, and we'll come back at 7:30. Huh? When is it? So, let's say 7:35. Okay. All right. We will meet again at 7:35. So that because we have a lot of things to, I would like to show a lot of things. Okay, within these few hours. All right. So with that, we'll continue on at 7:35. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.